If websites are taking forever to load in Google Chrome, or you're seeing errors like DNS not found, connection failed, or pages that simply refuse to open, this quick fix might help. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Then click inside the address bar at the top and type the following: Chrome, net, internals, sockets. Once the page opens, look for the option called Flush Socket Pools and click on it. What this does is clear Chrome's current network socket connections and force the browser to create fresh ones. Sometimes old or stuck connections can cause websites to load slowly, fail to connect, or display network-related errors. After clicking Flush Socket Pools, Chrome will immediately clear those existing connections. You don't need to restart your browser, although reopening the affected website can help refresh everything completely. Now try visiting the website that was giving you trouble. In many cases, pages will load normally again, and connection errors may disappear. If you're still having issues after this step, you can also try clearing Chrome's DNS cache or restarting your internet connection for an additional refresh. And that's it. That's one of the quickest ways to fix connection-related problems in Google Chrome and help websites load more reliably.